Good morning, students. Hope everyone will be fine in your home. So, yesterday we have started our worksheet discussion. So, today we will start our second chapter, that is food, health, and hygiene. So, everyone take your worksheet and then write the answers in your first one. Choose the correct option. Following is a source of carbohydrate. So pulses, fish and milk, they are rich in the proteins. So rice, it is the source of the carbohydrate. So underline the word rice. Second, they give us energy for the later use. So which gives us energy for later use? Protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. So it is said to be the fats. They give us energy for our later use. Third one, this vitamin makes our bones strong. So namely the vitamin D, it makes our bones very strong. Fourth one, this disease is spread through the contaminated food and water. So typhoid is a disease spread through food and water. Fifth one, the disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. It is called as a night blindness. So night blindness is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. And then answer the following in one word. What are the main source of protein? Pulses, milk, cheese, soya beans, fish, meat, eggs, curd. So these are all the main source of proteins. Second one and third one, see. Why do we need vitamins? Why minerals are important to us? So vitamins and minerals, they are called as a protective food, right? So to protect our body from the disease, they are very useful. Fourth one, what is a disease? Name any 5 disease. Disease means is a condition of the body that prevents from working naturally. Common cold, typhoid, cholera, dysentery and malaria. So these are the 5 diseases. Fifth one, what is vaccination? Vaccination means it is a special substance called vaccines that prevent the specific diseases. Then B, write true or false. First one, anemia is caused by deficiency of iron. Yes, anemia is a type of a disease caused by lack of iron. So it is said to be true. Second one, with exercise, rest is not important. It is false because rest is very important. Water does not help in the digestion of food. So the statement is false because water helps in the digestion of food. Fourth one, common cold is a non-communicable disease. Yes, common cold is a non-communicable disease. True. Common cold is a non-communicable diseases. It is true or false? Common cold is a communicable disease. So I have written wrongly. So strike the word true and then write false. Common cold is a non-communicable disease. It is a false. It is not a true. Strike the word true and then write false. Common cold is spread by the mosquito bite. Common cold is spread to the mosquito bite? No, it is a false. Again, I am repeating the fourth question. Common cold is a non-communicable disease. It is a false. So I have written true. Strike it true and then write false. Fill in the blanks. Dash helps to fight the diseases. So which helps to fight the diseases? Vaccination helps to fight the diseases. Then second question, vaccines are made up of small quantities of antibiotic. So write the word antibiotic. And third one is a homework for you. It is a new word. What is the full form of DTP? So find by yourself. If you can't find, then I will tell the answer. Fourth one, lack of calcium makes our bones and teeth weak. So if calcium is not there, our bones and teeth will become weak. Fifth one, eggs are rich in proteins. Eggs are contain more amount of proteins. Sixth one, deficiency of vitamin D. It causes rickets. So underline the word rickets. Seventh one, carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Then match the correct option. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, it is a second option. Gives energy to carry out the physical activities. Then proteins. Proteins help in the growth and repair of the body. And then fat. Fats, first option, gives us energy for the later use. Vitamins, third option, protects our skin from the diseases. Vitamin A keeps our skin healthy. That is a fourth option. I'm repeating. Carbohydrates means it gives energy to carry out physical activities. Proteins helps in the growth and repair of the body. Fats, it gives us energy for later use. And then vitamins protect our body from diseases. Vitamin A, healthy skin. And then give two examples for each of the following. First one, what are the source of carbohydrates? Rice, wheat and potatoes. Second, source of fat, butter and ghee. Foods rich in vitamin E, that is green leafy vegetables and nuts. Fourth one, foods rich in calcium, milk, almond and cheese. Fifth one, which food contains the water? Cucumber and watermelon. And then name the following. Overall well-being of the body, it is called the health. Second one, which nutrient help in the growth and repair of the body? It is called as a proteins. Third one, nutrients that protect our body from diseases, that is vitamins and minerals. Fourth one, disease can be spread through direct contact with an infected person. It is called as a communicable disease. Communicable disease spread from direct contact with the infected person. Then fifth one, non-communicable disease caused by the deficiency of the particular nutrient. It is called as a deficiency diseases. Then short answer, name the 5 essential nutrients. What are the 5 essential nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Second one, what is the function of proteins in the body? Mainly for the growth, repairing of the body and strengthening of bones and muscles. So the proteins are useful. What is the function of the water in our body? So water helps in the digestion of the food and removal of waste materials from the body. Why is sleep important? Sleep because to keep our body relaxed and to give time for growth and repair, to make the body function properly, the sleep is important. Then long answer, state the function of each nutrients perform in our body. So come to the page number 23. In page number 23, the functions are given. Carbohydrate function, protein function, fats functions, vitamins and minerals function. You have to write only the functions. No need to write the main sources. Second, water communicable disease. So the disease spread from one person to another. It is called as a communicable diseases. How they are spread? By the direct contact with the infected persons through dirty food and water and through the insects. Third one, explain about the prevention and treatment of non-communicable disease. So first we have to eat the balanced diet and then we have to do the exercise regularly. So next one, value based question. It is a homework for you. You have to observe the image carefully and you have to write the name of the deficiency disease and how they are caused. It is a value based question. Then you have to find the answers.